Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again with another grocery. What did I say? This is my grocery collaboration, Wednesday grocery collaboration video, and today I'm sharing with you the things in the food and the canned goods in my pantry that are staples that I regularly use in recipes. And while I'm decluttering and cleaning, I'm coming across cans that, especially those olives, they were hidden behind other canned goods. That's why it's so important to rotate and every now and then go through your pantry, unless you are, well, I can't say I'm not, because every day I am using stuff from the pantry, but things in the pantry that are hidden behind other things and need to be moved forward. Some people, they well, myself as an example, oftentimes I forget to bring my older dates up to the front so I can use that up before I use up my new stuff. Like this week, well, last week I used a can of cream of chicken, and the one that you're staring at now has the older date. No, it's the older date. No, yeah, the older, wait a minute, has the date that I should have used first, and I used one that had a newer date, and I made a mistake and I opened it up instead of using the one I have up here. So now I got to make sure that I open that one up when I get ready to use it in a recipe. So it is important to make sure that you rotate, bring the old to the front and the new set it to the back, unless you're a pantry person that just uses your stuff so fast. You don't have to use that technique or that way of doing things in your pantry, because you're always using it every day. If you use something every day in your recipe, ingredient that you use regular, like people use onions and garlic and bell pepper and celery, they might cook something that requires those ingredients every single day. Or if you're using the Campbell cream soups, you might use that product every day in something because you like how it flavors your food. So it probably won't matter if you rotated or brought something old to the front, because you use it so often you won't get a chance to have it, get to that point where, oh, I got to use this because the date is about to expire, whatever, so forth. So that's what's going on. So right now, as I'm cooking, I'm kind of like in that mode too, using my things up. Like I just shared with y'all, I had to purchase some more chicken broth because I'm using it that often. So that's something that I don't have to worry about rotating or bringing to the front, because it's going to get used up before it get a chance to even live on the shelf for a month or whatever. It's going to get used. So that's that speedy pantry. Speedy pantry use. Yes, indeed. But these items you're looking up here, looking at today, are like pork and bean. Often you cook with that. Olives, the Campbell cream soups, and pinto beans, canned pinto beans. These are the refried ones. All good in a lot of recipes. These staples right here are great in a whole lot of recipes. It's like they enhance flavors of food so good, so well. I love it. But anyway, this is what I'm sharing today. Some more recipes, staples that are in my pantry that I use often. And if you do the same, if you got a staple in your pantry that you use often, can't stay on the shelf for no longer than what, a week, because you use it that often in your recipes, share it in the comments. Love to hear from you. And like I say, folks, if you don't see me on your channel, that's because I'm watching it on TV. The majority of people that visit me, I watch you on TV, and if not, I'm just coming directly to your channel. And I appreciate all the content creators that come back and forth and support me. Visitors, well-wishers, looky-loos, passy-bys, I welcome you and thank you all for all your support. But yeah, these are the products that I will purchase. I will always purchase on a regular basis, because these things are going to be used to enhance flavors in the recipes that I cook. Yeah. So I'm going to share something with y'all right quick that's going to be used for today's dinner. Give me a second. Okay, guys. Okay, today's dinner, I decided I'm just going to do the wings instead of chicken stew. And also with the wings, I got 2 bags, different bags of potatoes. I got my 10-pound bag of potato that I hadn't shown y'all, that I got that from Food for Less. And the multicolored potatoes that came from Sam's Club. I believe I shared those, but I'm going to use these potatoes in a recipe today that's going, I think if we're having mashed potatoes, chicken wings, and mixed vegetables, that's what we're having for dinner today. It's going to be yum. And let me see. This is a collaboration that you guys are watching today on Wednesdays. You know I got my, if you guys follow me and know what's happening on my channel, this is my collaboration that I do on Wednesdays. I'll share what I bought and sometime what we eat and what we having for dinner. And it's gonna be tasty. I don't know about leftovers. I'm gonna have to, tomorrow is Thursday. I don't know what I'm cooking tomorrow, but today I know what we having today. Like I said, chicken wings, mashed potatoes, and mixed vegetables. And on that note, I'm about to let you guys go, but I want to also let you guys know on my crafting channel, it is Wednesday Bud Day collaboration. So if you want to check that out, going over to my crafting channel. If you haven't been there and you're curious what I'm doing on my crafting channel, go check it out. And if you're enjoying what you see, don't forget to subscribe. And you can support me in more ways than one, especially by not only by subscribing, but also hitting the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos up. Even on this channel, hit the notification bell, give me a thumbs up, comment, and also hit a playlist so I can get view watch time. And also don't forget to come back as often as you are available. All of this is great support, and I appreciate if you are considering doing that, or if you are doing that. Thank you so much. And on that note, I'm gonna let you guys go. Appreciate you. Don't forget, I also have a gardening channel if you like watching folks grow herbs. I'll have a small space garden, a balcony garden, and I'm in the gardening community, and a lot of my subscribers have large spaces to garden in, and a lot of us have small spaces. And if you're a small space gardener or a large space gardener, come on over and join the gardening community. Hit that subscription button on my garden channel. Let's support each other. Thank you so much. Y'all have a beautiful day. Bye. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.